Hello, welcome to Extend Office. In this video, we will introduce some ways to dynamically highlight the row and column of a selected cell in Excel. This video will introduce 3 methods for auto-highlighting active row and column. Method 1, by using VBA code. Open the worksheet where you want to auto-highlight active row and column. Then right-click the sheet name. Choose View Code from the context menu. In the Open VBA Sheet Module Editor, copy and paste this code into the blank module. To change the highlight color, you simply need to modify the RGB value in these scripts. Then, close the VBA Editor window to return to the worksheet. Now, when you select a cell, the entire row and column of that cell are automatically highlighted, and the highlight dynamically shifts as the selected cell changes. Notes: this code will clear the background colors from all cells in the worksheet. Running this code will disable the undo feature in the sheet. This code will not work in a protected worksheet. Method 2, by using Kutools for Excel. After installing Kutools for Excel, please click Kutools. Grid Focus. Now, you can see the row and column of active cell are highlighted immediately. This highlight dynamically shifts to follow as you change your cell selection. This feature offers a variety of highlighting options, such as different styles and colors. Go to the Grid Focus Settings dialog box. You can set the highlighting shapes, styles and colors as you need. Key benefits of this feature. This feature can preserve original cell background colors. This feature works seamlessly within protected worksheets. This feature does not impact the undo function. This feature works stably in a large data. Method 3, by using conditional formatting. Select the data range or the whole worksheet that you want to highlight the row and column of selected cell. Then, click Home. Conditional Formatting. New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, click Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the Format Values where this formula is true box, apply any one of these formulas you need. Here I will use the formula to highlight the active row and column. Then, click Format button. In the following Format Cells dialog box, under the Fill tab, choose one color to highlight the active row and column as you need. Click OK. OK. Now, you can see the whole column and row of cell A1 have been highlighted at once. To highlight other column and row, click on a desired cell, and press the F9 key to refresh the sheet, which will then highlight the entire column and row of the newly selected cell. Tips: the conditional formatting preserves the existing formatting in the worksheet. The cell function is only available in Excel versions 2007 and later. Thanks for watching. See you next time.